So this is the figure in which we have to find AB. Let AB is equal to H units. So now taking triangle ABC. So I am talking about this triangle A, B and C only. In this we will find out what is AB according to that. If you remember that PBP, HHB, perpendicular base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, hypotenuse, base. So from here we come to know that perpendicular upon base, that is perpendicular upon base means that AB upon CB equal to tangent 60 degree. So from here we come to know AB is equal to H, CB is not given. So tangent 60 degree is what? Tangent 60 degree is root 3. From here it implies H is equal to root 3 CB. So this is our equation number 1. Coming to the second part, that in triangle ABD. Now I am talking about this bigger triangle ABD. So here we can take again perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BD equal to tangent 30 degree. From here we come to know AB is again H upon BD. Tangent 30 degree is what? 1 upon root 3. So from here we come to know H is equal to BD upon root 3. This is equation number 2. So equating equation 1 and 2, we get root 3 BC equal to BD upon root 3. Here, if you will see carefully, BD is actually, this BD line is actually sum of BC plus DC. DC plus BC is given by BD. So we can write root 3 BC equal to DC plus BC upon root 3. Now again see carefully, DC is given 40 centimeter. DC is given 40 centimeter. So I am rubbing from here. So it will become root 3 BC equal to, now this DC value I am putting, DC value is given 40 meter, 40 plus BC upon root 3. Root 3 will go that side, it will become root 3 into root 3 will become 3 BC equal to 40 plus BC. So this BC will come this side, it will become 3 BC minus BC equal to 40. So that is 2 BC equal to 40, and BC will become 40 upon 2, because this 2 is multiplied this side, other side it will become division. On cancellation it is coming BC equal to 20 meter, because the units were given in meter. So it is 20 meter. So now if you remember, in the first part we were having H is equal to root 3 BC. In the first part, equation number 1, we were having h is equal to root 3 BC. If you want to verify, you can go back to the previous part in the beginning of video and you can check that h was root 3 BC. So root 3 multiplied by 20. So h is coming 20 root 3. That is your meter answer. Thank you.